Yeah, my
Those who are already intentions. Him like it, him like guru, him like.
You see, it has been tested in philosophy and political science that groups that are united perish. Groups that are not united are bound to politically perish. It has been tested around the world. You can see with the Native Americans,
The Red Indians.
the Red Indians, you can see with the Aborigines in Australia and all parts of the world. So the moment we don't unite, we will perish. The example has already started in Amoro.
So the Acholi should look at themselves as Acholi in a simple term.
We have to look at ourselves as a blessed group, blessed by God in this beautiful land, a land which is 2 times the size of Belgium. We have to define our identity. When we have the same identity, we have a stronger collective bargaining. The moment we lose that collective bargaining, they will come and divide us. And when they divide us, they rule us. And as of now, they are succeeding in dividing us. They say you're a movement, you're opposition, and then we come and fight among ourselves. But in Ankole, when they see Nook very strong, they send their people to also be contest there. That's why we have Rukoya, that near Bobby Wine. It's there. When they see FDC strong, they take leadership. They send Muntu forming hand. So they lead both government and opposition. They spread out. But for us, we are typical of this, that in grasshoppers, once you put it in a bottle, they bite themselves. So it is up to us, the younger generation.
Like somebody quoted.
Yeah, it's up to us, the younger generation, to remove those divides. Yeah, we will be stronger. We lose nothing by uniting. But it takes one brick to make a
Entire building.
the entire building. So
Well, that one takes us to the issue. The party, I should not call it your party. Let me say RRP, our party, the party which the founder aids from our land. Can you update the people about your taking long without talking about the party? Can you update what developments are taking place in the party?
okay.
Because very many people have been asking, we want the t-shirts and so on and so
Now,
on.
what Ugandans need to know, during the time of Mobutu Sese Seko, there were 600 political parties
Wow.
trying to oust Mobutu. But all those political parties were created by Mobutu. So by the time you go for a party meeting, before you come back, he knows. So this is also a similar situation in Uganda. 80% of the political parties have been created by the current government in power. They were worried that we may have an election where the opposition would boycott. So they created parties that would also participate to give it legitimacy. Because at the time we were advocating for the partism in 2006, people were, the government doesn't want to take chances where President Museveni runs alone in an election because the opposition has boycotted. That's how they got someone with the name A.B. Abed Wanika to block the first space, the alphabetical, because if they don't block it, then it will be basically, you know, yeah. So most of these parties have been created by powers that be. So what happens to RPP? There are 35 political parties in the EC website, but some of those parties are infiltrated. You try to deal with them. When you try to deal with them, that is when you realize they have a problem. And the law says if you are to register a new political party, you have to get members who don't belong to any other party. I don't think there is any Ugandan who does not belong to any other party.
Most of the people were widely registered,
yeah. And then you have to move around in 2/3 of the districts. You get your signature, then the black member comes to your place, the drone, and then you can start saying your signature was forged. So it can take like 2 years. Like Katumba started, they have allowed him, he may register a party soon. So the government has closed both the government space and the opposition space. So how does this relate to RPP? RPP, to now, I want Acholi to take Emily Pepepai as a pressure group. We are going to build the pressure group until we will show which direction it will go. Because when we try to use the Revolutionary People's Party, we realize that it is something else we did not know. Like today, Moses PLU is using the lion.
The Patriotic League.
Yeah, Patriotic League of Uganda is using the lion. And lion is also the same symbol of RPP. An electoral commission is there, not stopping them.
There's now a
You get
direct
it?
shot.
Yeah. So you find you are
Like
you are,
NUP use
yeah,
red card.
the same thing. So you find you have had a delegates conference. I was elected party president. We tendered in the document to electoral commission. The electoral commission is like the political wing of NRM. Everything we invited them. We put the gazette in the newspaper. The leadership has changed. They say no. So it's a fake multipartyism. But for me, we are going to court. We are filing application sometimes next week in court in relation to Revolutionary Political Party. Myself and some other gentlemen in Eastern Uganda, we are filing to court and we are going to High Court to seek for the declaratory orders that if the multipartyism cannot work, you carry out a delegates conference of the party, you are elected a leader, you follow all the sections of the law, and the electoral commission refuses to recognize you, then it is a fake multipartyism. So be it as may, whether there is Revolutionary People's Party or not, Odonga will be on the ballot paper.